It was in the early hours of Tuesday when worshippers converged for the Subha prayers at the Shweshwar Mosque at Arhonkunu, a suburb of Mubi town, when suddenly a blast was heard.
But I heard a sound, a very loud sound. So immediately I heard the sound, and I know definitely something happened, but I don't know where. But within a short moment, one boy came closer, crying, telling me that something happened in the mosque.
Karfe 5:12 daidai limaniyar sallah ni na gida makwabcin masallaci a ni gida na makwabcin masallaci ne ina zuwa na shire gashi abun da ya faru na jimi.
Coincidentally, the imam that presided over the prayers was among the survivors. He told 26 News that after the first rak'at prayers, a blast was heard, a development that threw the worshippers into a pandemonium, after which scores died while dozens others that sustained injuries were rushed to the hospital.
Mun tara ikama mun shiga bunnan rakana daya abuwan ya faru mu muna akan abunan safunan gaba lokaci abuwan ya faru mu na safun gaba wannan gaba daya mu suka kasa.
At the various wards of the hospital, many people continue to rush to donate blood to help save the lives of the injured, while many whose cases were worst were being referred to the state capital. Among the sympathizers, the chairman of Mubi North Local Government, Musa Ahmed Bello, who appreciated the people and the NGOs for their support. He called on the people to be more security conscious. Ibrahim Muhammad, 26 News.